Westermans here again with another 5,000 kilo 3-axis hydraulic welding positioner, Dumeta or Dumeta, however it's pronounced. This has also got a fixture on the top which can be supplied with the fixture as an option or without. Tabletop is 1500 diameter. Maximum center height when the table is in the full height to the center position is 2 meters. Machine's 400 volts with a neutral. It has a pendant and foot control, which is variable speed, forwards and reverse. More details available on westermans.com on this positioner and others, both 2-axis and 3-axis, new and used. This machine will either be sold as seen or service to order. Fixture is last used for doing vessels and a frame system, but obviously can be used for any sort of cradle. One direction and back the other way. Again, it's variable speed. Go back round. Accidentally pressed the emergency stop there, so let's turn that back on again. Try again, emergency stop. As you see, the machine functions fine. Both rotation, forwards and reverse, tilting all 3 axes. At Westermans we supply engineering equipment, welding positioners, rotators, column booms, MIG, TIG, sub-arc, plus many more. Also machine tools, guillotines, bending rolls, brake press. These can be all shipped worldwide, sold as seen or sold service to order or refurbished if required. Thank you for looking.